Hi guys, welcome to another video coming to you by Horse Lord. First things first, just like to address some issues. So, seems that I've been banned on Twitch. Unfortunately, I think it's because, showed a little bit too much skin. But, guess we can work on that next time. In the meantime, though, I did want to show you guys what exactly, just do a little overview of my computer that I just bought and built on stream. So, first I'm just going to go over the parts a little bit. Let's take this and head on over here to the good old parts. So, first off, we got our NHD15S cooler. Alright, let's start with the CPU. So, first off, we have the Intel Core i5 14th generation CPU. Pretty awesome. And then we have good old NHD15S cooler, followed by the Pro B460M DR4 motherboard. And to back up the motherboard, we got this memory and storage. The memory is 64 gigabytes, and storage is 2 terabytes. Let's go. We got the Kingston storage underneath there. We got good old Gigabyte GeForce RTX. Now, the graphics card is a little weak, but reality is RuneScape doesn't use graphics. So, and then we also have the power supply. Good old trusty power supply. Alright, now, another thing coming soon is the keyboard. I have yet to unbox the keyboard, but we will get into that at another time. So, for the actual PC, we're going to go into the PC over here. We got some headphones, and I'm going to show you how everything's running. Right now, I'm actually recording straight to the new PC. So, we can take off this plate. We have the T6 case. Take off this plate. And then, so right now, I have absolutely fucked up my wire situation. But, we do have everything successfully installed. So, believe it or not, this CPU cooler is running right now, and we have the, you can see in there, motherboard, things are plugged in. Now, if we get in even closer, you can see the good old 2 sticks of RAM, 32 gigabytes each, 64 gigabytes total, and even further in, you have the storage fully installed. So, that is pretty much Horse Lord's PC build now. Would like to let everyone know that I'll probably be live streaming on Kick pretty soon. We can probably get as frisky as we want, and probably not get banned, man, because Kick's pretty chill. So, hope you guys have a great day. Hopefully, at some point in the future, I'll be able to get the VOD of the PC build. So look forward to a highlights reel of that VOD because they were quite a few ups and downs. Just to name a few, I had to figure out how to apply the cooler onto the CPU. I put in the brackets and the spaces wrong, and then to rotate them, and then I rotated them back once I realized the graphics card didn't fit. And yeah, and maybe I'll also update you guys if I get all those cables cleaned up. So hope you guys have a great day. Please like and subscribe. Goodbye. Psych. So I actually am not going to end the video there. You can continue to watch the RuneScape in the bottom corner of the screen, but I'm actually going to unbox the keyboard right now and assemble it. See how that goes. I'll put the mic off the side here, and let's see how this goes. So